Well, we're back here looking at the molar volume experiment, and I thought I'd do a little short video on the computer end of things. Probably didn't show up too good on the other one. So you're going to have your two probes. One's going to be to the pressure sensor, and one is going to be to the temperature. And once they're hooked up, you're going to find you got two different graphs on here, which is pretty cool. You got temperature down here, again time, and pressure on the top. Once you release your, you have your Erlenmeyer flask that's in the 600 milliliter beaker, and you have it in the water. You can put your hydrochloric acid in there. It's going to hit the magnesium strip, and it's going to produce a gas. So once you put the hydrochloric acid in, just before you start putting hydrochloric acid in, you see the button up here, collect. Go ahead and hit that, and you're going to start collecting temperature and pressure. So you're going to let this run. You're going to let the experiment run for 5 minutes. So you can let it go, and I'm not going to run it a full 5 minutes here. After 5 minutes, you can hit stop, and it's going to stop the experiment. And then you want to go to analyze. Analyze is up here, and if you hit statistics, you're going to see it's going to give you a difference in Y. And so this one's a pressure, so it's going to give you the difference in pressure from beginning to end. And it's also going to give you the difference in temperature from beginning to end, which is pretty cool data. Nice and easy to do. Man, it works really well. Okay, you're going to want to save this data. So I would suggest you go, oops, let's see if I can get the file here. And you want to export as a comma-separated value data table. Now, this is going to show on my laptop. It's shown to save in my documents. I believe on the school laptops, you're going to get your school document file. Once you save it there, you can always get it and put it into your Google Docs. So you're going to want to label it molar gas experiment 1, save it, and you'll be good there. Just in case, I would probably write these two values down here. You got number of samples, you got delta Y for pressure and delta Y for temperature. So I'd make sure I'd write those down somewhere. Then you can get rid of this one. Let's see, file, I think we can go to new. Do you want to save the changes you made on tile? You can save the changes if you want, it doesn't matter to me. I'm just going to hit no on this one. And then you can go ahead and run the whole experiment again. Put in new magnesium strip, put the acid in, let it go for 5 minutes to collect the data. It works pretty well. Have some fun with it, and so we'll have some fun with the experiment, and we'll catch you later.